R.S. Agrawal Trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. Question number 6. In question number 6, we have given if sine theta is equals to a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, find the value of all trigonometric ratio of theta. So in this problem, we have given that sine theta is a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, and we know that sine theta is given by perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So let's draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Consider angle A as theta. So the side opposite to angle theta will be perpendicular, that is BC. So this is A square minus B square, and side opposite to angle 90 degree will be hypotenuse, that is A square plus B square. So in this triangle we have perpendicular and hypotenuse. We have to find AB, that is base. So we know in right angle triangle AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So from here AC, that is A square plus B square whole square, will be equals to AB square plus BC, that is A square minus B square. So from here AB square will be equals to A square plus B square whole square minus A square minus B square whole square. So that will be equals to A, this is A square and this is B square. So A square minus B square, we know that A square minus B square will be A plus B and A minus B. So here A is A square plus B square and B is A square minus B square. So A square plus B square plus A square minus B square, A plus B, second bracket A minus B, A square plus B square minus A square plus B square. So from here B square will be cancelled out, and from here A square will be cancelled out. So A square plus A square will be 2A square and B square plus B square will be 2B square. So this will be 4A square into B square. So this is AB square. So from here AB will be 2AB. So this is our base. So second trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta, which is given by base upon hypotenuse. So base is 2AB and hypotenuse is A square plus B square. Then third trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta, which is given by perpendicular upon base. So our perpendicular is A square minus B square and base is 2AB. Then our next trigonometric ratio, that is cot theta, which is given by base upon perpendicular. So our base is 2AB and perpendicular is A square minus B square. Then our next trigonometric ratio is sec theta, which is given by hypotenuse upon base. So our hypotenuse is A square plus B square and base is 2AB, and at last cosec theta, that will be given by hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So that will be equals to a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. R.S. Agrawal, chapter trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. In question number 7, if sin theta is equals to c upon under root c square plus d square, find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So we have given sin theta, that is c upon under root c square plus d square, and we know that sin theta is given by perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here this is a right angle triangle whose angle A is theta. So the side opposite to angle theta will be perpendicular, that is C. This is C, and side opposite to 90-degree angle will be hypotenuse, that is under root C square plus D square. So in this right triangle we know that AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So here AC is under root C square plus D square whole square equals to AB, we have to find AB, plus BC square, BC is C, so BC C square. So from here this will be C square plus D square equals to AB square plus C square. C square will be cancelled out. So from here AB square will be D square. So from here AB will be equals to D. So this is our base. So now we have to find cos theta, that is equals to base upon hypotenuse. So base is D and hypotenuse is C square plus D square. Then we have to find tan theta, that is given by perpendicular upon base. So our perpendicular is C and base is D. So that is C upon D. R.S. Agrawal, chapter trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. In question number 8, we have given if under root 3 tan theta equals to 1, then evaluate cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in this problem, we have given that under root 3 tan theta equals to 1. So from here under root 3 tan theta is equals to 1. So from here tan theta will be equals to 1 upon root 3, and we know that tan theta is given by perpendicular upon base. So in right angle triangle ABC whose angle is theta, so side opposite to angle theta will be perpendicular, that is 1, and side adjacent to angle theta will be base, that is AB, which is root 3. So in this right triangle AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be AB square, that is 3, plus BC square will be 1. So AC square will be 4. So from here AC will be equals to 2. So our hypotenuse will be 2. So now cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse, that is root 3 upon 2, and Sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon 2. So now we have to evaluate cos square theta minus sin square theta. We can write it as cos square theta will be cos theta whole square minus sin theta whole square. So cos theta is under root 3 upon 2 whole square minus sin theta, that will be 1 upon 2 whole square. So from here under root 3 upon 2 whole square will be 3 upon 4, and 1 upon 2 whole square will be 1 upon 4. So that will be equals to 1 upon 2. So this is the value of cos square theta minus sin square. R is Agrawal trigonometry exercise 10 trigonometric ratio question number 9. In question number 9 we have given if 4 tan theta is equals to 3, then prove that sin theta into cos theta will be 12 upon 25. So we have given 4 tan theta equals to 3. So from here tan theta will be equals to 3 upon 4, that is given by perpendicular upon base. So in right triangle ABC whose angle A is theta, our perpendicular will be BC, that is 3, and base will be side adjacent to angle theta, that is AB, that will be 4. So our AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be equals to AB square, that is 4 square, plus BC square, that is 3 square. So 16 plus 9, that is AC square. So AC square will be 25. So AC will be 5. So this is our hypotenuse. So from here sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is our perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, and cos theta, that will be equals to base upon hypotenuse. Our base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So we have to prove sin theta into cos theta equals to 12 upon 25. So now LHS, that is sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta is 3 upon 5, now putting value, and cos theta is 4 upon 5. When we multiply them, that will come as 12 upon 25, that is equals to RHS, hence proved. R.S. Agrawal trigonometry exercise 10 trigonometric ratio question number 10. If sin theta equals to a upon b, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta will be equals to under root b plus a upon b minus a. So in this problem we have given that sin theta is a upon b. So we know that sin theta is given by perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC whose angle is theta, so perpendicular will be BC, that is A, and hypotenuse will be AC, that is B. So our base AB will be AB square will be AC square minus BC square. So AC is B, so B square, and BC is A, that means A square, that is AB square. So from here AB will be under root B square minus A square. So this is our base. Now sec theta will be given by hypotenuse upon base. So that will be equals to B upon under root B square minus A square. Then tan theta is given by perpendicular upon base. So that will be equals to A upon under root B square minus A square. So now LHS, that is sec theta plus tan theta. Now putting the value, sec theta is B upon under root B square minus A square, and tan theta is A upon under root B square minus A square. So now here LCM will be under root B square minus A square, and this will be B plus A. We can write it B plus A as under root B plus A into under root B plus A, and under root B square minus A square can be written as under root B plus A and B minus A square minus B square term formula. So from here under root B plus A into under root B plus A, and this can be written as under root B plus A into under root B minus A. So this will be cancelled out. So that will be B plus A upon B minus A. Hence proved, that is equals to RHS. Hence proved.